Okay, the puppies are a little over 2 weeks old. We're starting to walk around.
Come on over here. Oh, get over here.
So we thought we'd bring them out in the family room. I think their little claws are sticking to the carpet. We thought they'd have better traction to walk out here. There's the little girl. And those 3 are boys. Come on, get that belly up off the floor.
He's trying hard, but it's a heavy belly. Yes, it is, and his feet are sticking to the rug.
I didn't think about that. Oh, there we go. That one's getting up, moving. Who's squeaking? Let's see if I can get back to where I can get them all in the picture. They're all spread out. I can't get everybody in the picture.
You should go backwards. Good. Wow, you could just go backwards like on a race car. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Here, get over.
Whoa, she barked.
Mad at me. That's not nice.
Little girl with an attitude.
She sure does. Hi, big boy.
Okay. Oh, their little claws are sticking to this rug. I thought they'd have better traction on this rug.
Which one's the one?